T-Bone the Drone by Shonda McCloskey. This is the title page because it is the first page in the book that has the title on it and the author's name. Say title page. Good job. T-Bone the Drone by Shonda McCloskey. When Lucas met T-Bone, they were instant friends. They learned together. They ate together. You like wrenches, huh? They recharged together. And Lucas had sweet dreams of flying together. But in real life, flying a drone was tricky. Bam! Smack! Crash! Meow! Still, Lucas was determined to get T-Bone soaring. Cool drone, Lucas! Ready for wiffle ball? In a minute. How about now? Maybe later. Sure is a nice day for a game of wiffle ball. Huh? Later, Lucas. Whoa! Guys, are you seeing this? Guys? Lucas zoomed to the field to find his friends. Well, he hoped they were still his friends. I'm ready to play now. Too late, Lucas. We've already started. Yeah, go play with your space dog. Lucas stomped off the field with T-Bone close by in follow-me mode. Who needs them anyway? Let's fly, T-Bone. T-Bone was wobbly at first, but soon he could glide and tilt and flip with ease. Then it happened. A gust of wind, a dizzy drone, a swing, a hit, and tink! The ball went flying over the fence. That's our only ball. Game over. Thanks a lot, Lucas. If he was ever going to win his friends back, Lucas had to get that ball. I'll climb over and get it. Are you nuts? Have you heard what's over there? Lucas could hear low growls coming from something on the other side of the fence. Be careful. Bark, bark, bark. Whoa, whoa, ah! Dude, are you okay? Lucas, say something. T-Bone. T-Bone can get the ball back. Lucas jolted right up. But how? He doesn't have hands. Maybe there's a hand in here. What? Ew! The kids dumped out their bags and emptied their pockets to see what they had. Candy canes? Hooks? These could come in handy. Get it? Then they hatched a plan and built it. Epic! It was finally time to put T-Bone to the test. Propellers hummed while Lucas maneuvered the drone up and over. Bzzz. Bark, bark, clank! Bark, bark, crunch! That thing is a monster! Poor T-Bone came back pretty banged up, and the team was losing hope. If Lucas could just see what was happening on the other side of that fence, maybe... That's it! Lucas could fly with T-Bone. If I can't see the drone, I'll be the drone. Okay, T-Bone, let's do this. With his goggles on, Lucas felt like he was floating as T-Bone buzzed over the fence. T-Bone drone in flight. Ah, it looks vicious. Bark, bark, bark. It's got the ball. Oh, man, look at those teeth. Nice, boy. Grrr. Gotta distract him. The wrench. Here, fetch. Bark, bark, bark. Yay, we got it. Way to go, T-Bone. When Lucas took off his goggles, he had never been prouder. The kids were a team again, including T-Bone, their new ball retriever and mascot. So, how big was that monster anyway? Hi there. Anybody lose a wrench? My doggy found it. Oh, is that a drone? Ha ha ha. The end. The sky's the limit when it comes to friends.